A man has to do what he has to do. I cannot sit back and watch a man from nowhere to take what rightly belongs to me. It is impossible. I will go to any length to make sure I am king of Ifite. Richard, or whatever your name is, you are playing with fire.
My husband, you're still awake. What troubles you?
Baby, I've witnessed so many storms in my life, and most of them had caught me by surprise. But I've learned very quickly to look further and understand the fact that I am capable of controlling how my future will be. I've fallen me.
Baby, in as much as you're fighting for what you believe in, you must also think about your family. I want you to trade with caution. I don't want anything to happen to you.
But wait for an nothing will happen to you. Or even us. Wait for them. Them. I need Juja Chonta. I don't want to song Babu Arigog. Richard is a small boy. I mean, I can't just sit here and allow a stranger from nowhere to come and take what rightly belongs to me. It has never happened. Impossible. Mpano. Omame. I will deal with, in fact, what I will do to Richard, you will never forget it in a hurry.
Baby, I'm not saying you shouldn't fight for what you believe in. I'm not. But you have to really be careful. I don't want to be a widow.
Mom, it will never happen. You will never be a widow. I'm fighting to take over what rightly belongs to me. I must succeed my father. I am the heir apparent. And nobody, no man born of woman, will take what rightly belongs to me. Oh my God. It's my fault. It's my everything. So don't worry. Go back to bed. Go back to sleep, okay? I love you. Go if you know. Don't worry. Just go back to sleep, okay? I hope you do alright. Go back to bed.
Honey, I'm set to go for the meeting I told you about with the party chairman. I won't be back until maybe the next 3 hours. Sweetheart, I'm talking to you. Honey? Honey,
You and money is beautiful. You have cash is wonderful. But when that is not enough, you start again. You start again. Dangerous game. Because the money is there. You never know how it's going.
again.
You and money is beautiful. You have cash is wonderful. But when that is not enough, you start again. You start again. Dangerous game.
I am convinced that most men don't know what they believe. Rather, they only know what they wish to believe. Most times, men are quick to make decisions that are not favorable to them. Who blame the gods for the atrocities caused by men. Oh no, you're playing the drum. And I hope that this drum you're playing, you'll be able to dance to the tune when the time comes.
I don't seem to understand what you're saying.
Oh no, don't pretend as if you don't know what we are talking about. Oh no, will you connive with a total stranger to take what is rightfully ours? No.
Point of correction. Prince Richard is not a stranger, let alone being a total stranger. I hope you know that he is your elder brother.
Oh no, please spare us the sermon. Richard is not my brother. I don't know him. Oh yes. Oh no, I've worked all my life. I've worked to be where I'm supposed to be now. The throne belongs to me. Oh no, I'm the heir apparent. You cannot come from the blues and take that which rightly belongs to me. But please, please, do what you're supposed to do.
I am only doing the wish of your father.
Our father have no wish. He's a dead man. We decide what happens here. Oh no. I'm going to offer you a lot of money. And a brand new car. Just name it. Just tell me. I'm going to give you an open check. Oh no, tell me what you want. Oh no, all I need is your support. Support me. Once I become king, and after my coronation, oh no, whatever amount of money you've written on that check, I will double it. Whatever the brand of car I'm going to give to you, I'll still double it. It's your choice or no. I want you to do this for me.
Listen to me very well. Your father, the late king, bestowed very great trust on me. And I am not ready to betray that trust. Even in death. I am so sorry, my prince. Please, I cannot do it. I cannot. My conscience will never forgive me. And your late father will never forgive me, even in his grave.
Look, mother, you have to take things easy. Dad died of heart attack. I don't want you to join him.
Your father died because he was a weak man. How can a man I spent all my life with, take what belongs to my children and give it to a total stranger? I will never allow it happen. That will be over my dead body.
Mom, Dad was not a weak man. He only did what was right. Moreover, Richard is my brother. He is no longer a stranger to us.
Whose side are you on? I don't blame you. You're just a girl. You will not understand.
Look, why fight over a throne against father's wish? My brothers have the whole company to themselves and all the businesses. It is enough for them, Mom.
No. I can see you have chosen the ways of your father. You want to betray us like your father did, right? First thing tomorrow morning, get ready, you're leaving this country. Stay wherever you're going to find yourself until everything is over!
No, Mom. I'm going nowhere. I have a lot to do here.
Get out of my sight. Out! Get out! Stupid girl. Nonsense.
This life, this life,
Oh no.
My prince.
You know, tomorrow is the day we have been waiting for. I want to thank you for your support, all through, for standing by me and standing by the side of truth. I do not take it for granted. And I want to promise you one thing, that all your efforts will not be in vain, because I will not disappoint you or the people of this land.
Thank you.
I want to take this kingdom from where it is now to where it should be.
You have spoken very well. Very, very well, my prince. I want to assure you that the gods can never mislead us. They will never lead us astray. Your father, the late king, was a very great man. Very, very great man. He lived his entire life for the people of Ifite. I want you to emulate his style of leadership. And not just that, my prince. I want you to do better than your father did. Just like your father, the late king, did better than his own father.
I will know.
Now,
Thank you.
like you know, our tradition cannot be compromised. So I would want you to guard it jealously with all your life. Very soon, you will be crowned king of this kingdom after the Ofala festival. That will be the beginning of a brand new era. My prince, I ask you this question. Are you ready for what is coming your way?
Yes or no?
You are?
I am.
You are sure you are?
Yes.
Good. Let's drink to a very successful reign as king of Ifite Kingdom. Igwe!
Oh no!
Oh my God, I can't wait. So very happy.
This is the end of you, Richard. You can't just walk into my home and take what rightfully belongs to my children. I will not sit back and watch it happen. That will be over my dead body.
This life, this life,
Let's go.
This life,
Don't tell me that! Don't tell me that, honey! No! No matter how peaceful a man is, there's a limit to what he can endure. No full-blooded, sane man will sit back and watch all he represents being slaughtered on the altar of peace. They want war, I will tell them I'm worse than the beast.
What has these people told you, Little? Richard, you no longer listen to me. I have told you to let all this go. I don't want to lose you.
Something must kill a man, honey. I'm not scared of them. This is my birthright we're talking about. Only cowards shy away from their responsibilities, and I am not one.
Not when our lives are at stake. Those guys can do anything to take you off their way.
What is the essence of life if it will reduce you to nothing? I am fighting for what belongs to me, and I don't mind if it takes my life.
Richard, you've changed. What I see as I look at you is a desperate man.
This life, this life.
Yes. Are you sure? That's very, very good. Fantastic. Sparrow did a good job. Oh yes, no problem. Thank you. So how did it go? Yeah! Everything went as planned. There's nothing to worry about again. Our boys did a good job.
Done.
Just that.
So what's the next plan?
The next plan now is to end this madness. And then, for me to take over what rightly belongs to me. Chin, 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 chin. Michael said, I can't wait.
This is unacceptable. Ifite has become a den of robbers.
Violence everywhere, and people can no longer go out and come back safely without being threatened by all these night marauders and we must find an end to it. This must stop.
Yes.
Let me tell you, it has just begun. How do you expect things to be fine while you are supporting a total stranger to be king over us?
Tell him.
How do you know him? Since that man came into this our kingdom, things have turned upside down. Our land has known no peace.
Let me remind you, the violence in Ifite has nothing to do with Richard.
Exactly.
Except for those who think that he is not worthy to be a king. Yes.
Now tell me, how can we bring a man who doesn't know anything about royalty to be king?
It is his birthright.
Oh.
Yes.
Moreover, I am not the king that chose him as heir to the throne. He is the first son of the king. I hope you know that. No matter where he came from. You understand?
Yes. All I know is we are doing the right thing.
Oh no.
Oh no. I quite disagree with you on this. We all know that Prince Arinze has been a hard-working gentleman.
Yes.
He deserves to be a king. But he has been with his father all these years, only to be rejected at the end. It's unfair. It's unfair.
Oh no, I don't blame you. Richard must have filled your pocket with money. That is why you're supporting him. That is why you are supporting him.
For your information, Onowu here cannot be bought over.
Tell them.
For your information.
Tell them.
He's a man that stands for the truth.
Oh.
He stands for the truth.
Exactly.
My guy, I'm confused. It's about just take our community that was in peace before have finally turned into a war zone.
My brother, it's quite unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. As a matter of fact, I and my younger brother will going to Aba to stay with my uncle. That's my father's wish. At least Mad is around the Aba.
Yeah, your own better now. Your own better. How? I wish without me now, I have someone that I can stay with and leave this village. My baru but also go 1 month.
No place like home. See, rumors had it that our late king is the cause of all this trouble. Telling you.
That's a matter. Oh no, but I don't even
What do you mean?
Don't you know that our late king married a slave?
Wait, say what you know. Say what you know. Our late king never married a slave. See, let me tell you. The woman in question was never a slave. She was never a slave. She was a maiden back then in the palace. Our Igwe, our late king, the mother did not approve their marriage. That was what happened. So you are not sure of what you heard.
Yeah, damn, this was exactly what my father told me.
Your father was not even sure of what he heard.
My father, Pambo.
Calm down. If your father was sure, he won't say it. She was never a slave. She was a maiden. Woheman.
Uno awende wono no runa na ebuari rumu.
Great is our kingdom. Great is our land. Ajibana kwasisi fitani kwabana.
One thing I have learned in all my years of success is to fight for what belongs to me. You think I don't know your antics? All the mayhem you unleash on this land, all the destruction you have heaped on our people, you think I don't know that? Let me ask you, when you do all these things, do you ever think of your people? Do you think about the entire people of Ifite Kingdom when you do all these terrible things? You may do and get away with it, but let me tell you, I am not scared of you one bit.
You're making a big mistake by coming to my father's house to confront me. Look, I have just one single advice for you. If you can break away and get out, break away and get out. Otherwise, you see this fight, it will consume you. Ogwa, what are you reading?
Like I said, I have learned to stand and fight for what belongs to me. Okay? I will fight till the last drop of blood in me. The challenge is to fight so much so that people who don't even believe in you will come around when you get to your destination. This is my father's house. This is my inheritance. This is my heritage. And as regards this fight, I am not giving up.
Then get ready to die.
Really? And who will kill me? No, tell me, who will kill me? This is your last warning. Stay away from me. Else!
Go get out, Otule! He's already a dead man. Otule! He's already a dead man. Richard Mebugi, I'll personally kill you. I have just 7 strawberries. Really? He's already a dead man. Richard Mebugi, come here. Hey! Shade,
my dear, I can't continue staying in this palace anymore. Look at the way things are going out of hand.
Me too. Can't you see the way that kind guns up and down? Yeah, like war zone.
Exactly. That is exactly what it is. War zone. My dear, I may not know where I'll be going from here. My dear, but I have to leave before I will be caught by a stray bullet one day.
But wait, oh, at least can't you wait and take this month's salary?
Did I hear you say salary?
Yes, now.
Where everybody are busy fighting over the throne. Nobody cares for us. When was the last time you were fed well in this palace?
You're right, oh. But at least, what are we going to do now?
Did I hear you say we?
Yes, now.
My dear, you're on your own. As I'm talking to you this moment, I'm leaving this palace.
That is the point I was waiting for everybody to talk. You see, some people came to this palace to eat. People like you, it's just to receive salary and eat. Then people like me, just for the meantime, be at the gates, then take over the whole building. Very soon, this palace will be very, very empty. Everyone will run away. You just remember me. I will now take over the throne and become the king of this kingdom. And somebody like you, I will not be needing you as a queen. Don't worry about him. Do you hear me? See, I know you don't know what this thing is. In Igbo, we are Ishiago. In English, they call it head of lion. Before he died, he made me the chief. security officer of this building. That chief is because I'm a cabinet chief awaiting king to be. And get on, I know what the next thing is. Me becoming the king. And very soon, you see this cap? It's white now. You turn to red, die soon. May you finally. And people like you will not be in this palace. Don't worry about them. Do you hear me? So all about I think I like your courage to stay in the palace. You know, good?
It's obvious. I can see that. You are here to eat only food. Nonsense. If you like, stay there.
Come, let me tell you. See, I like you. I like your courage in this kingdom. I think I will reward you and your family. Just don't mind them. But before you become the queen, we'll be doing those things that king and queen normally do. This night, I will leave my door open so you can. You can come in. Yes.
Wasted gate man, nonsense.
And look, just look at us. If normal maid should talk to me, this one that is not even qualified to be a normal maid will talk to me. I warned them about this idiot before they brought her in. Don't worry. And
This is life, the life we are living.
Oh baby, no. No baby, I just went down the road to get something. I'll soon be back now. Baby, don't worry, okay? I'll be back soon, okay? My love. Alright, see you soon. Bye.
This life is full of mysteries, crazy world. In love but hate, it might be a secret. No, it might be a game. What dangerous girl.
Oh, please, who are you? Please don't hurt me, I beg you. Please, I beg you, don't hurt me.
Oh, Your Highness, we'll have her. Okay. I'll make that call.
Hello? This is Richard Ezago Harrison.
Now listen up, Richard. Your wife is with us. Listen, all we need is your collabo. If not, it's a God.
You must be out of your mind.
Hey. Listen and listen carefully. We want you to go into exile and forget about the throne for life. We'll have your wife here, kill her and your born child.
That's not possible. You can't be serious. Who are you? And how am I even sure you're my wife?
Okay. Hey, talk to your husband.
Oh, Richard, please, I beg you, in the name of God. Please just do anything they want. I beg you, Richard. I don't want to die. Please, for the sake of our mother.
Hey, you had that right? You had that right?
Hello? Hello?
My God.
Hello, Bone. Bone!
Please, I'm pregnant. I beg you. Please.
Listen, so you don't know you are pregnant when you and your husband want to take what does not belong to you. Huh?
Please, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have an idea of what you're talking about, please. Please, I beg you, don't hurt me, please, for the sake of my unborn child. I'm pregnant.
Hey, listen, just listen. They was going to go into exile. I forget about the throne for life. Or will kill you and your born child.
This life,
Honestly, he deserved what he got. Lolo, you see, in this game, there can only be one master.
Bam.
And that one master is me.
You're brave, my son. You have proved yourself worthy to be king.
Yes, Mom.
I know you will never disappoint me.
You see, Mom, there's no way we can sit back here and then allow total stranger to come in here and take over what belongs to us.
Come on, me.
Right now, you must be somewhere far away on exile. Otule, can you imagine?
I shall be having a meeting with the Elders Council tomorrow. So we can discuss about the new date for the Ofala festival. The truth is, never again shall any stranger come into this our great kingdom to disrupt our activities, to cause us chaos, cause us insecurity. It can never happen again.
Right on, my son. I am solidly behind you both.
Let us toast to this great feat. Long live this our great kingdom. Long live our Igwe. And long live myself, the heir apparent to the throne.
Bam.
And I honestly would like to borrow these few words from the great Shakespeare. And I quote, "Like a bear, I am tied on the stake. But bear-like, I must fight the cause. So I will fight you to the end."
Okay, Nwa.
I live to fight another day.
Yes, sir. Please, I beg of you. I beg you to have mercy on me. For the sake of my condition, please.
Slap you! If I slap you, devil go run come out for your brain. Oh! Because of your condition. When you and your husband is going for a throne that doesn't belong to you.
No. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, you don't know what I'm talking about?
Listen, my husband is not even interested in the throne. Yes.
If I slap you, if I wake you up. See. Stop watching your crocodile tears. I am a professional in this. They paid me to do my job, and I'm doing my job.
Listen, just for the sake of my condition, for the sake of the unborn child I'm carrying, just at least get me water or food. You know I'm pregnant.
Just stop!
Please, I beg you, please.
Wait. It's like you have plenty of trouble, right? You like trouble! Well, I'll just get you just water. Because of that thing. Just because of that thing. No food. Well, will you miss me?
Where are you going to? You're supposed to be with the prisoner.
I want to get her. She said she needs water.
She needs water?
Yeah.
Okay, go get her water.
Okay, go get her.
Relax, you're safe. Your husband asked me to take you to somewhere safe.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Abomination! I said abomination! I will not take it.
This is an abomination. The tradition of this our land can never be compromised. The late Igwe declared Prince Richard crown prince of this great land before his demise. And that singles Richard out as the prince qualified to celebrate your father.
I will not stand here and watch you people desecrate the tradition of this land. I'm ready and happy to it.
Let him go. As you can see, we don't really need him. The gods are with us.
Yes.
Let him go.
Elders, I'm in support of Onu. Yes, Prince Richard is the eldest son in this family, and by implication, the heir to the throne of Ifite. I will not be part of this abomination.
I'm living here. Look at them, slave masters.
Go!
Go!
Do two of you also want to live with them?
No, my prince. We are
Solidly
solidly
behind you.
behind you.
You're in support of me.
Yes, my prince.
Okay. For supporting me, I'm going to give the two of you 500,000 naira each.
Huh?
Yes.
500,000.
Yes.
Again.
Not only that, I will give both of you 2 plots of land.
No.
In a very nice place.
My prince, may your days be long.
They got it.
One more thing. Let's not forget. For supporting me and praying that if I become the king of this noble community and kingdom, I will place both of you and any other person that supports me on a monthly salary.
Monthly salary?
Take care of yourselves and your family members.
Oh, I want to Greetings! 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 You are already the king.
Yes!
We are solidly.
This truth. Man,
You are already our king.
You start again. Dangerous game, because the money's there. You never know how it's gonna end. You and money's beautiful. You have cash, is wonderful. But when that is not enough, you start again. Dangerous game.
What is it? Please, move. Come on, move. Please, I beg you. Phil, hey! Akashije! Shut up! Akashije!
This is life, the life we are living. The more you lose, the less you see.
I know you have a hand in this. I suspected it.
Onowu, I am offering you 10 million naira and a house in any of your choice location. I want you to support me to become king of this great kingdom.
You cannot bribe me with money. I will continue to stand by the truth, even if I must die for it. Richard is the rightful heir to the throne of Ifite, and he has his father's blessings. I cannot go against the tradition of our people.
You see why you are so poor? 10 million naira, you're still talking gibberish. What can Richard do for you that my brother Arizona cannot do for you 10 times when he becomes the king? 10 million naira, you're talking gibberish. Have you seen it before?
I'm not expecting a reward for doing what is right in the sight of the gods.
I can see you're proving very stubborn. But let me warn you, your stubbornness will never stop me from becoming king. I will leave you here. I'll make sure you suffer till you die. And let me tell you, even my late father and the gods of our land will never stop me from becoming king. I must be king, with or without you.
young man, I advise you to watch your tongue. Watch your tongue before you incur the wrath of the gods. The gods, their ways are not the same with the ways of mere mortals. Please, be careful what you say.
I've told you, let's waste this man and bury him here. You're just wasting time. Nobody will know where he is. Just waste him.
You know what? Let's just pay him to you after the Fala festival. Then we'll do away with him. Keep an eye on him. Lock this place. No food for now.
No problem, sir.
May make it fair. Let's go.
Have mercy on the poor old man. I need some water, please, water.
This life is full of mysteries, crazy world. In love but hate, it might be a secret. Oh, it might be a girl, a what dangerous girl.
Please. Calm down, sir. Calm down. Please. It's the police. Get up. Move.
This life is full of mysteries, crazy world. In love but
alụsị bụ ka iwe chi nye na dịka a na-agbalụ ụbụrụ n'ụba ọchịkwa nkịtị dịka a na-ebelu n'efu na nekenu dịka a na-agba nzu n'anya ọchịkwa dịka osisi gwara ma ada Igbo ihe egwurugwu mmọnwụ dị giligili na ma akwaba mbe m ka nkwaba odogwu ụmụ Igbo na-ekeni mmanwụ be m nsị n'ọrụ aka ọ na-emelụ m ọrụ ọbịaliga nsị na-ekene mụ na-eke n'ọnụ nsị na ibe ji na-ekene ụnụ bụ ogologo ndụ ahụ isi ike ibe akọ gị ibe ewe ọjọ ka ọ ga-eme unu na n'ụwa nwa ọ na-achị ekwe nwunye Chukwu kelọkụ dịka nwi ma ụda mụ na-ekwuru ekwu eziokwu kpọkwazienụ m ise dịka ji wee chịrị akagada wee walụ odogwu n'aba ya ka m ji wee kwubekwa okwu ụmụ Igbo na-ekwenị mmanwụ be m na ọbala igwe ka dike ji chala abịa cheribe melie ọkwa dike a na-akwala ụbụrụ n'ụba tụkwazienụ m ọja dike
Officer! What's the meaning of this nonsense? Do you know the gravity of what you just did? Huh? Why should you just shoot here?
You both are under arrest for kidnap and murder.
Hey!
Move it.
My friend, you cannot arrest us. Where is your warrant?
I have my warrant.
No way. You can't arrest my sons.
Are you resisting arrest?
I would have killed you when I had the opportunity to do so. You old fool.
You can't do nothing. Okay, move it. That is right now. Move it.
Officer, take it easy.
Move.
No, you're not taking my brother anywhere.
Move.
No.
Oh, yeah, move
No,
it.
don't do this,
Move
please.
it. Move. Move. I said move. Oh, yeah.
You're not taking my brothers anywhere.
Take them away.
Officer, don't do
Move
this,
it.
please. Officer, please.
Move it. Move it. Right now, move it.
This is life, the life we are living. The more you look, the less you see, the less you understand. Do you really want to know?
Don't be offended. Evil children. I just want to ask one question. This one, they are throwing them out. Please, what did they do? Because I'm sure it's 3 things. You must be involved. You don't need to tell me. Just choose one. Is it abomination or excommunication? Just choose one.
You and money is beautiful. You have cash is wonderful. But when that is not enough,
Robo di fite n'ọlụ aka na-eme mmanwụ dị giligili dike na meba atago. Fuluga mgbịlịgba odogwu na-akụ ọgbamgbe mgbịlịgba dike pụtara na ya ma n'oke mmanwụ. Maka n'elu ụwa na ọ na-abụ ibe chi kwuru n'elu ụwa bụ sọ nya ga-eme n'elu ụwa nwanne mana m ekwuzikwa na eziokwu nụ. Maka n'ime agụ ji eme ile dị ya na mba odozigbo dike na-ekene na ama ekene na odogwu nwa amụrụ na mma ọchịagha. Ọchịagha na-echila ọrịa bịa ka eke hichiala anya ya ka ọ dị mma ka afụ na ife emela odogwu. Olue ka ọ na-eme na odogwu be m. Si n'olugbo mgbe a ga-echi gị igwe dike kinie n'oche eze ka ijezie wee kilibe odogwu na kana mgbịlịgba odogwu na-akụrụ gị odogwu be m. Ọnwa na-agbala ọra nke ịtọ na ama ekene gị ekene ọnụ. Nsi na-ekene gị kene ebe na-ejeligozi odogwu. Olugbo ka ọ na-eme m tụkwakwa na oje mba enwilo. If the kwenu, yeah. If the mono, yeah. If the reno, yeah. If the swano, yeah. If the kwaswane.
Oh no! We have come a long way.
Yeah.
In fact, this kingdom has come a very long way.
Yes. In fact, it has been a great adventure. But we thank the gods who made it possible for us to see today. And it has come to pass. Today is a very great day in the history of Ifite Kingdom. We know that the burial of our Igwe was a huge success. And the Ofala festival was a very great success as well. I nekene
the gods of this land for seeing us through. Now let us go down to the business of today. Prince Richard, hello, please step forward. Welcome in your hand.
Hello.
My elders, am I speaking your mind?
Yes.
You are.
Oh no, no, woman.
How do you go? Yes. Where's the noche? Obodo we na-aga n'iru. Eze pues anoche. Obodo na-aga n'iru. Obodo ifite ọ dịgo anyị mma. Ọ dịgo anyị mma. Ọkwa ya dị ife a. Ọ ya. Ya. Nwoke wee yọ ha. Ahụ dị mkpa ogologo imi ya. Let's get one of your hands down. Yes, this one. And the other one. Go away, so neighbor. Where?
Go away, who notice me too. What?
Oh, yeah.
I want to forget. By powers vested on me as the traditional prime minister of Ifite Kingdom, I crown you, Prince Richard Ezago Harrison, the Onwa Barora, the third of Ifite Kingdom. Congratulations. Congratulations.
I have the eyes of the father.
Congratulations.
N'igwe igwe onye chọrọ odogwuba m ọzọkwa gị ka mụ na-akwali mbe m odogwu ode giligili mmanwụ m ekene gị eke n'ọnụ igwe onye chọrọ dike n'ekene nwa na-agbalị ọra nke ịtọ na m ekene gị eke n'ọnụ odogwu nwa mụ na mma dike na m ekene gbegbe gị ọrụ obodo n'olu ugbo ka ọ na-eme na mmanwụ be m na dike abatago anyị enwegokwa igwe ọrụ obodo anyị igwe enweghị igwe na anyị enwego nyanya na-achị anyị ka ọ dị mma ọrụ obodo ka ịtụkwakwa na ya igwe ifuru dike agbakwuru ude na-ebuso arụrụ arụrụ ajọ nkịta ji si anyị ọkụ n'ịba tago ebube dike mbube na m akwalụ gị mbe m dike na eke n'utu dike mụrụ odogwu na odogwu a na-amarọ dike aka onwe ka ọ na-eme na mmanwụ be m ifuru ibe mụ na agwala ọrọ bụrụ igwe anyị ochie ọrọ bịa ka ebi adịnaganụ m mmanwụ obodo dike na ma ebebekwe n'udo dodo igwe
We can be seated. Congratulations. Your Royal Highness. How Tony?
I don't know if you know.
It is with utmost humility that I accept this responsibility bestowed upon me to lead our people. I am indeed humbled by this, and I promise to execute my duties with diligence and honesty. I promise to ensure that there is peace in the land at all times, that there is progress, that our people flourish. It shall be well with us. It shall be well with our households. It shall be well with our families. It shall be well with our wives. It shall be well with our children.
Oh no! Fellow elders, we have done the needful. Yes. Yet, there is something we must do. We are in the mood of celebration. As you all can see. The Igwe will now move to the square to dance to the music of the Igwe.
Me? I am certain it's going to be a boy.
Oh, baby, stop it.
No, you stop it.
It's going to be a girl.
Don't say that again. Listen, this kingdom has to continue and we need a successor. So, if that be the case, it's going to be a boy.
You win. You win.
Come here.
I can't wait.
No.
I can't wait. But the boy is going to look like me.
Please, my son. Can I have a word with you?
As you can see, I'm busy with my wife. I don't have time for that now.
Oh, baby, please, don't be like that. Yeah, please.
Okay, say what you have to say fast, because I'm very busy.
Please, my son, I have come to ask you to forgive us. Forgive your brothers. I know we have wronged you and the entire Ifite kingdom. But they have suffered enough. Please, I don't want them to die in jail. Biko.
Madam, Mom, Mother, I am not the police nor the court that put people in jail. I cannot do their work for them.
My son, I know the power you possess as the traditional head. You have influence over this case. Please, they are still your brothers. Forgive them.
Don't be like that, please. Please, my husband. Please, I beg of you to forgive them. Please. We have to embrace peace now. We're one family. Let's all live in peace, please. If your father was to be alive, he will embrace peace too. Please, I beg of you to forgive them, please.
Do you know what?
Please, please. Baby, please.
Please. Nabiko. Bayalo.
You know, I am only doing this because of my wife and for the sake of peace. But I will do that on one condition. That your sons never ever in their life again come around this palace to constitute nuisance or to disturb anybody in the entire Ifite kingdom.
They will not.
If it happens again, I will make them get lost forever.
Mba, anything you ask them to do, they will do it. Because now, thank you. God bless you.
Destiny must come to play. I could fetch another and I'm where someone
Brother, I want to say thank you for securing our release. Honestly, I never knew you were such a very good man. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We appreciate. You have shown us true quality of leadership. And we have come to align with you as family. We're sorry for whatever that happened.
It's okay, my brothers. Please sit down.
I thank the gods for a day like this.
And And I am sure even our father will be happy wherever he is. Our people have a saying that now, even when Nani Runokbo, the anger of a sibling does not get to the bone. It is well, and I'm glad that we are coming together as one family. Your inheritance is yours already according to Father's dictate. Everything he wished would be as he wanted it. All we need is to forge ahead as one happy family to make everybody in this place progress and make the kingdom of Ifite to flourish. Thank you, my brothers.
Thank you. Thank you.
Arizona! Arizona! Mekus! Okay, then again, man. I was in the mood today.
The
prince. Kudo Nachi?
No.
And where the Kudo?
My heart is full with happiness that peace has finally returned to this land. Yesterday, King Richard released his 2 step-brothers from the police custody.
Wonderful. This is a very good news. Wonderful.
Yeah, very good news.
A very wonderful good news. Yeah. Wonderful.
Not only that, he has finally reconciled and made peace with them.
Ha! Another wonderful good news.
That's a very good news.
Yes, wonderful one indeed.
I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you that stood by me during the time of oppression from the 2 princes. A hand of applause.
Thank you.
What if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule up. What if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule up. Things don't fall apart here. I opposite by faith, Papa will look at me. Things don't fall apart here. I opposite by faith will look at me. You know, say every story has a teller. Every teller has a story. Man, I was a young one year. Abonyaga kakuka. And no one. Abonyaga kakuka. If I solo move on my bed, on your chimney, yes, and yes, what if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule up. What if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule up. I no go agree, because you are not my brother. I no go agree, maka name boba total stranger. Ibu potule, you are not my brother. Malubanda akaraku weweram feature. Imapa destiny must come to play. Aku fecha dalawa, ana mweza mwali abu. Adi abu, da mweza mwa, ana mweza mwa, uboda fwa. Aku fecha dalawa, ana mweza mwali abu. Imakwa onye chimereze n'ụwa. If I solo move What if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule out. What if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule out. If I solo move for me, Mama, on your chimney, yes, I know. What if it